Welcome back everyone. In this video, I want to show you the trending effect called FaceTime Warp on TikTok. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you enjoy these kind of videos and turn on bell notifications. If this video helps you out, then please hit that like button and let me know in the comment section down below. So this effect will scan your face, and as it finishes scanning your face, it'll morph your face into something else. So by making some quick up and down movements or left and right movements, you can get some really funny results. So let me show you how to use this effect. Open your TikTok app on your phone. Now tap on Discover and search for FaceTime Warp. It should appear under Effects and look like this. Tap on it and see how others have used this effect. If you don't see this filter in your search results, then it means it's still not available for your country. Check back later as TikTok is slowly rolling it out to everyone. Once you're ready, tap on Try this effect. Now go ahead and press the record button. A line should start to drop from the top. Now move your face around as the line drops down. Once the line has reached the bottom, it'll then morph your face into something else. If you don't like the result, you can start again. And there you go, that is how to use the FaceTime Warp effect on TikTok. My name is Karthik and you're watching Simple Dad. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.